Where does the game go? And you load down? Download. There's no way a whole game could fit on here. It's too small. And does this use passwords or can I save? Is this thing in color? Oh, there are so many buttons on this controller. Sony makes stereo equipment. They don't make video games. Oh, do you have the latest Sega console?